In this problem also, we are applying velocity triangle concept, just like a previous question. Here we are using the vector relationship that velocity of rain relative to earth, which is the actual velocity of the rain, is equal to velocity of rain relative to the man plus velocity of man relative to the earth. In the previous question, that is our physics problem 22, we used three colors, blue, green and red, for the three stages. But in this problem, that is physics problem 23, two colors are enough because only two stages are involved. Green we are using for velocity of man equal to 20 meter per second. And blue we are using for velocity of man equal to 8 meter per second. In the same diagram we are using both velocities. You can see in the vector diagram, that is the diagram that we have drawn, how the velocity of rain relative to the man makes the same angle of 37 degree to the vertical in both cases. So that you carefully study the diagram, you will know how it makes the same angle. Now, after we have drawn the two cases in the same diagram, superposing one situation over the other, we are able to fix E, a certain point E, which single velocity triangle will not give you that point E. Only when you superpose the two, we get that point E. Once that E is located, AE gives the actual velocity vector of rain, which is what we want, AE. Once the vector diagram is drawn with the two stages, the rest of the solution is purely using geometry. You can do the rest of the solution. Geometry, including trigonometry, we can solve the problem. One geometrical approach we have shown in the solution. Another approach is to use the cosine rule for the triangle. That is triangle ADE, where DE is equal to 10 units and the in between angle is equal to 53 degree, which you can try to get the same answer. Thank you.